This video will show you how to prepare and format your data prior to upload to eSpatial. In this video, I will discuss the key steps to follow when preparing your data, and common issues that arise when uploading data, such as filters, subtotals, cell lengths, and hyperlinks. There are 5 steps you should follow when preparing your data for upload. Format, first sheet, column headers, location data, and data types. Before uploading your data to eSpatial, you should ensure it is in the correct format. eSpatial accepts uploads from an Excel or CSV file. To ensure you've selected the correct format when saving, click on the File drop-down menu, then select Save As and choose Excel Workbook or CSV, delimited. eSpatial only recognises the data records that are in the first sheet of your spreadsheet. To ensure that all your chosen data is uploaded, you should make sure it is present within the first sheet. Ensure your column headers are in the first row, as eSpatial will recognise your first row as the header row. You should note that if the first row or rows in your dataset are blank, then an error will occur when uploading your spreadsheet. In order for your data to plot on a map, it needs to contain address information. Please make sure your file contains location data. This can be in a single column as the full address, or it can be split into parts, for example, street, city, zip code, state, and country. If your data contains information from multiple countries, we recommend including a country column. We suggest including as much address information as possible for your pins to plot more accurately. However, we recommend that you do not include address information such as business or building names, apartment numbers, or PO boxes. If you have secondary address information, such as billing or shipping addresses as part of your dataset, please ensure these columns are not used to locate your pins when uploading to eSpatial. If using latitude and longitude coordinates to locate your data, please ensure that your latitude and longitude coordinates are in 2 separate columns within your dataset. Your coordinate data should also be in decimal format. Users should ensure each column only contains one data type. For example, text, Boolean, integer, date, or decimal. This ensures that eSpatial correctly identifies your data, allowing you to perform detailed analysis and filtering. We also suggest checking that product and user IDs that are in digit format be formatted as text type columns. eSpatial does not recognise dataset filters in your spreadsheets. So if you only need to import specific data, we recommend copying this data to its own spreadsheet so that it does not require filters. You should remove any subtotals in your data. Even if there is no address associated with these values, they can sometimes still populate on your map and skew your analysis results. Data should also be a solid block with no blank rows or columns. eSpatial cells have a max character length of 1,500 characters. If you are importing report exports, please ensure that none of your columns and cells exceed this limit, or errors can occur on upload. Website links can be included in your datasets, which will bring you to the reference site. However, hyperlinks where a single word is present and the website is linked within are not recognised. So please ensure to revert them to their original URL if you want to link to these sites. Thank you for watching our how-to video. If you have any questions, you can contact us by emailing help@espatial.com or by selecting the chat button to the bottom left-hand corner of your screen when on our website or logged into eSpatial.